Can TikTok verify your account without many followers? So yes, TikTok can verify your account without a massive following. TikTok does not publicly publish a minimum follower count. Instead, verification is based on notability, authenticity, and active presence. Now, if you do not have millions of followers, you can still get verified by meeting some of the criteria. You must provide links to 1 to 4 credible, organic, and featured articles about you or your business in prestigious news publications. If you are already verified on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, it significantly boosts your chances of being automatically recognized on TikTok. Also, you must maintain a public account, have a complete profile, and consistently follow TikTok's terms of service. Now, if you'd like to apply in-app, you can submit a verification request directly in the app. So simply open the TikTok app, then go to your profile at the bottom right, then tap the menu at the top right, and then tap settings and privacy. Now select account, then tap verification, then follow the on-screen instruction to submit your government issued ID and proof of notability. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.